Hello there. This video will highlight one of the top 5 business drivers for dynamic data masking. A common IT issue is that database administrators, DBAs, need access to production databases to perform their job, but they typically do not need access to sensitive data. Let us look at Alice, who is our DBA. When she runs a query in a production database, she can see all the sensitive data. The organization has a policy that states DBAs should not view sensitive data, instead should only view redacted sensitive data. Mage Data will create a 3-step process. Who's the policy for? Where does sensitive data reside in schemas, tables, and columns? And what is the protection mechanism? For the first step of the policy, we have a set of users named database administrators. All DBAs are selected and included. For the second step of the policy, Mage Data automatically identifies all sensitive data and the locations in the database. And for the third and final step, we can define the protection mechanism as redaction. Once the policy is authored, it is published. Now when Alice runs a query, she will see redacted data. Note that the protection is transparent, and Alice did not have to change anything. She'll still be able to deliver her responsibilities, and the organization will be able to achieve its compliance policy. Mage Data does it in a seamless and transparent manner. In this example, we use very simple redaction rules for this particular use case or business driver. For other, more complex requirements, Mage Data is very flexible and seamlessly provides realistic masking, context-preserving encryption, as well as conditional masking. Mage Data also enables similar rules across enterprise data platforms. Please contact Mage Data for additional information. Thank you.